Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is soba noodle soup. I tried using ingredients that I can get in local supermarket. Let's soak 8 to 10 pieces of dried soya meat. Soak them for a minimum of 30 minutes. Same with dried shitake mushrooms. Cover it to speed up the softening process. Next, we need star anise, ginger, Angelica, and Chinese brown ginger. Another important ingredient is coriander seeds. Break the seeds with grinding stone, or you may use coriander powder. I am running out of ginger, and I also need to buy white radish and some lettuce. Just a gentle reminder, if you are a new viewer, please give me a small favor by clicking subscribe and turn on the notification bell to help grow this cooking channel. Thank you! It's spring and it is still cold outside. I need to walk for about 1.5 kilometers to my favorite supermarket. Most supermarkets in Germany are not in downtown. They are almost outside the town. But I like to walk in a small town in here. My husband comes home earlier on Fridays, so he can fetch me later. I have just done some small surgeries on my hand, so I'm not working for temporary, and I hope I have more time to make cooking videos. I have washed my hands. Let's start cooking. Squeeze out the water because I will stir fry them later on. And do the same to the mushrooms. Guys, we have just moved into our new home, so I'm still quite new to my kitchen. I also have some problems adjusting my lighting. I apologize for some bad lightings in my footages. Make cross lines to each of them so that they can absorb the flavor from the soup. And also for the mushrooms, just slice them into 4 pieces. And for the radish, I only need about 400 grams. I'll use the remaining for other dish. Some people call this guy daikon, but the Germans call it white radish. I need to make the soup taste sweet, so I like to use radish. If you can find a Chinese turnip, you can also use it for sweetness. Or you can even use kohlrabi. But not every place in Asia has kohlrabi. If you are interested to know how it looks like, I'll put the link in the description. Please check it out. Let's heat up the cooking pot at medium-high heat. Drop some cooking oil, about 1.5 tablespoon. Fry star anise and ginger after it is already hot. Then followed by the broken coriander seeds. Guys, I don't have tea bag to place the coriander seeds. If you have, please use it so that it's easier to scoop out the coriander seeds from the soup later. Drop the mushrooms too. Stir fry them for about 2 minutes. You know guys, as usual, most of my cooking recipes involve stir fry. And now we are going to stir fry the soya meat too. And for soya meat, we need to stir fry for about 3 minutes. Soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Keep stir frying them until you can smell the fragrance. Then about a tablespoon of sweet soya sauce. Keep stir frying to mix them well. Oops! So we can drop the daikon too. Stir fry for a while. And I also used mushroom dark soya sauce. About 1 tablespoon too. By the way, which country are you watching my video from? Please let me know, okay, in the comment section. I can speak several languages and I wish I could reply you in your language. And don't forget the Angelica and the brown ginger. We need more water. In here, I'm using about 650 to 700 milliliter. We need that much water because the soya meat absorbs lots of water. Some white pepper. And this is a cumin powder. It is optional, but it is a good taste if you use cumin powder. Cover and let simmer for about 1 hour at low heat. After 1 hour, open the lid and sprinkle some salt to taste. What a great aroma from the mixture of anise, angelica, and coriander. I'm impatient. I want to eat it soon. Let it keep warm on the stove. Meanwhile, let's prepare the soba noodles. I bought it in Go Asia supermarket. It is made in Taiwan. I would try some of the soup. Not salty enough for me. So guys, adjust it to your taste. I'm going to keep it warm while I'm preparing for the noodles. So just boil it for about 5 minutes at medium-high heat. And after 5 minutes, leave it for about a minute in the water. After we have switched off and leave it for about 1 minute. And usually I do this to make it taste better. Completely cooked, but not too mushy, not too soft. I'm going to pluck some lettuce. You may use any vegetables you have at home. Because I cannot get the Asia vegetables in the local supermarket in Germany, so I just use lettuce. It's great. We can switch off the stove because I'm going to prepare the noodles in the bowl for presentation. Look at it, so beautiful. Garnish with some roasted sesame oil. Guys, trust me, you may amaze your guest or friend with this amazing bowl of noodle. I'm sure they like it. Ho ho ho, it's done. This noodle is ready to be served. Thanks much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? It is so yummy. Thanks again for watching. See you again.